Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the charging system, USB. Okay, the first thing you have to take out the SIM tray, put it one side. Okay, if you have nails, you just use your nails and open it right round. If you have nails, just use your tools, just open it right round. It's a clip, just open the clip right round and be careful for the fingerprint cable. When you open the cover, don't open it full. Okay, just open it halfway and keep it there for the fingerprint cable. Okay, then you slide it a bit like this. Take out this one screw here, one side. Okay, remove this cover on top. Okay, disconnect the fingerprint cable, put this from one side. Okay, then take out all the screw down here. Make sure the phone is off when you are doing this. Turn off the phone if your phone is charged. If it's not charged, don't worry, just remove the charging system and put new one. So you take out all the screw at the back there. After I take out all the screw, take out this ringer, put it one side, disconnect this connector. Okay, and disconnect the network cable. Be careful you don't spoil it, do it slowly. Okay, you remove the charging port, USB port, remove it. Remove this rubber on top because you need it to put on top the other one also in case of water damage. Can protect the charging system. Okay, let's put it on the new one. Like this. Okay, then put back the charging system. Fix back the connector very nice. Okay, fix back this network cable. Make sure you fix it very nice. If you don't fix the network cable very nice, the network will become very weak. So make sure you fix it very nice, exactly how you take it. Okay, then you put back this cover. Replace back all the screw you take out. So many screw. Make sure you place all the screw you take out. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay. After you place all the screw, you fix back the fingerprint cable. Make sure you get the right position and press it in. Okay. Put back this cover. Don't forget to put it because that if you don't put this one, when the phone fall down, the fingerprint might disconnect. So it's good for you to put it back. You place back the screw you take out there. Okay. Then close back the cover. This clip, just clip it right down. Put back the SIM tray. Put the phone on charge, test it. As you can see, the phone is charging now. The charging system is okay. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.